Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to ab. So if we do first the derivative of y, that should be like this. Now this one we can put like this. So this one, if we simplify and we have 2ce to the power of 2s, this one we have 2ce to the power of 2s. Next, we consider about this one. Now, we divide both sides by y. And we have like this. So I want to change this one into this one. And now we divide both sides by ce to the power of 2s for the both sides. And now I will put number 2 on the left. And we multiply both sides by y. That is the end. Thank you for watching.